Welcome to JH. Honey Gummies. Sounds promising, doesn't it? They claim to be a natural vitality booster packed with manuka honey, shilajit, and ashwagandha. According to the brand, these little chews can boost testosterone and improve stamina without a single prescription. Because clearly, nothing screams peak male performance quite like a snack that looks like it belongs in a toddler's lunchbox. But the big question is, are these gummies actually legit, or is it just sweet talk? Let's break it down. First off, we took a long look at the product images, and honestly, they look like they were birthed by an AI prompt. They're far too polished and missing those tiny, natural details you'd see in a real photo. It's as if their photographer is a robot with a serious filter addiction. Then there's the pricing. The website is a chaotic mess of 70% off holiday sales, and buy 3, get 2 free deals. It's the kind of urgency-driven marketing designed to stop you from thinking, which is usually a massive red flag for low-cost, mass-produced mystery snacks. The marketing phrases are where it gets really creative. They use lines like, "the real problem doctors don't talk about," and claim every batch is verified clean. It sounds convincing until you realize there isn't a single lab report, certification, or shred of evidence to back it up. They even boast some very specific stats, like 184,000 morning woods restored. I'd love to meet the intern whose job it was to verify those 184,000 individual events. But unfortunately, there's no explanation of how these numbers were measured. Finally, let's talk about the reviews. While the brand's own website is glowing with praise, trusted independent platforms like Trustpilot are a ghost town. A product making these kinds of bold performance claims should have a mountain of independent feedback, yet there's nothing. So are honey gummies legit? Between the AI-generated images, aggressive discount tactics, and unverified stats, there are more red flags here than at a socialist parade. Until the brand shows real proof, you're probably just buying overpriced candy. Thanks for sticking with me till the end. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more updates on products that are probably too good to be true.